Good morning, dear students. As we are doing chapter number 12, Sources of Energy, but now this chapter is removed from the CBSE board. So we will start a new chapter, that is periodic classification of elements. Elements, you know very well, are the purest form of any known substance. They are composed of only same type of atom. And there are total 118 elements which are known till now. So scientists gather more and more information about the properties of their element. So it is very difficult task for scientists to how to study them, their properties. So they started looking for some pattern in their properties, and on the basis of which they could study such a large number of elements. So different scientists come forward and do different attempts so that we can arrange these 118 elements and easily study about them. First, we are taking an example of an element like oxygen. Here the atomic number is 8, symbol is denoted by capital O, and atomic mass is 15.9, that is 16. So we know that the atomic mass is just double of the atomic number, and in this chapter you have to learn at least up to 40 atomic numbers, 1 to 40. So then you are able to understand this chapter very easily. So these are the number of elements from 1 to 40 and their atomic masses. So early attempt, the first attempt done by a scientist named John Wolfgang Daubeney. He pointed out that amongst the known elements, set of three elements could be chosen in which the atomic masses of the middle element is approximately equal to the arithmetic mean of the first and third element. So here you can see in the picture, he put out three elements, set of three elements, and he said that atomic mass of the sum of atomic mass of first, third, and when they added and divided by 2, it will equal to the middle one, and that is called Daubeney trait. Here you can understand that Daubeney takes the set of three elements. Here is lithium, sodium and potassium and their atomic masses. So he add the atomic mass of lithium and potassium first and third divided by 2, and we get 22.95, that is similar to the atomic mass of sodium. Similarly, in this calcium, strontium and barium, the atomic mass of calcium plus atomic mass of barium divided by 2 get 88.5, which is the atomic mass of strontium. Similarly for chlorine, bromine and iodine. Means according to Daubeney, when we arrange the three elements in such a way, we get that the atomic mass of first and third divided by 2, we get the atomic mass of the middle one. So this is the way how Daubeney wants to arrange the elements. But some limitations occur, that it is applicable only for few elements. It could not be able to apply on all other elements. So